What's up, online shoppers? I want to hop on here and give you a quick first impression of the Deluxe Broiler by Coglan. It is an extendable broiler basket that you can use for cooking hot dogs. You can put sausages, you can even put burgers in here. It even works for toast, which is really cool. So let's take a look at a couple of the features here. So right now you slide this off and open it up, and we'll take the instruction booklet out like that. Here we have the grill basket right here. It opens up flat so you can put your meat in here. Now you can put in hamburgers. If you take a look at the surface of the grill, you see it's nice and tight here, so you could actually put a burger on here. You can also lay it flat for hot dogs and buns, which is really nice. Now, right now the handles are locked. You can also extend your handle so that you don't burn yourself, because this is obviously really close to the fire. So when you have it open, before you put your meat in, this here on this side is not attached, and neither is it on this side. So you can just kind of lift it off and you slide it out this way, just like that. It locks into place. Do the same thing on this side here, locks into place. Bring it over this way, and now you have a much longer handle to work with, which is great, so you're not going to burn your hands when you're doing it. There's also a locking feature on it. So right here is a little loop, and as soon as you slide your handle into there and pull it this way, it locks your basket closed, so you're not going to like drop it and lose your meat or your toast. On first look, this looks really great. We're heading out into the bush for a backwoods camping expedition this weekend, and that's the reason I picked this up. I wanted to take it so that I'm not cooking one hot dog at a time, and I can make multiple pieces of toast at the same time as well. So I will report back and give you a full review after I've used it, but on first impressions, I'm really impressed with it. It folds down nice and compact, so you can stick it in your pack. It has thoughtful design. You've got the ability to extend the handle here so you don't burn yourself. The only thing I think is I'm going to make sure I bring one of those silicone oven mitts so that when I'm holding it, the heat of the metal doesn't travel up my hand and burn me. But I have to tell you, I think this one is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.